Yo guys, welcome back to my video, and today we are on my laptop, like my own laptop, and we are making Geometry Dash. Yes, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna make a new studio. Mine's right here, Pixel Vibe Zone. My account name is. Anyways, and today we are going to make Geometry Dash, obviously. So this is, I made two things. The background, no, actually three, but the background, the main thing, the square. I don't know what it's called. Geometry, maybe. Yeah. And I've made the spikes. So my plan is, I'm going to not add more obstacles, but every time after 10 seconds, after 30 seconds, it gets way faster. And the last one, like, it will be like a 0.01 glide. So that will be so fast. So let's start. First of all, we gotta take the position of the spike. So let me just move it right here, right here, and I'm gonna go to events first, cause we're gonna keep it as when flag clicked. And after, I'm going to go to motion, and I'm gonna capture. So I'm gonna, okay, go to this position. Then after, I'm gonna put this right here. So now I'm gonna do glide to that position. And so I'm gonna do it forever, cause if let me show you, if we keep it as like that, it's gonna only do it once, then it's gonna stop. We need it forever for that. And as I told you, so this speed right here is 1 right now. Can you see how fast it was? Like, let me show you again. So this is 1 second only, and watch this. Look how fast it is. Now we made it forever. It looks like it's just going on forever. It just goes on forever. But we're gonna start it off with quite easy one. 2.5 maybe. Yeah, that's too slow, but remember it's gonna get faster. So I don't know, I haven't tried this project yet, but I've learned Scratch before. So yeah. And now let's actually start coding. Now we have to make this jump. Yeah, it's quite easy. All you have to do is just go into events, then click when space clicked, not kicked. When space clicked, obviously Geometry Dash is spacing, and we're gonna do, it has to jump, so it has to move, you have to go up and down. So we're gonna do, where was it again? Yeah, we have to do, what? Okay, yeah, change y by 10, change, where is it? Change y by 10, and we're gonna put this in repeat 10, because then it repeats 10 times. It's just better with jumping. Then after, I'm gonna put the same thing. Then I'm gonna duplicate it. Okay, that was weird, but I didn't press it, yeah. Then I'm gonna put minus 10. So it jumps. Okay. Let's test it. Okay, I think we need to make it a bit more. I think I'll increase the jump a bit more. So I'm gonna set this to 20 maybe. No, actually no. I'm gonna set this to 15. And this as well 15. And it should work now. Okay, I think that was too high. I think we need to stop. Okay, my laptop is glitching. But anyways, we're gonna set this to 12. This to 12 as well. Hopefully now. Let me just try. Yes. We made a jump. Now, our third part is whenever it touches a spike, like it stops all. So yeah, we're gonna do it, but we're gonna pick the. Wait, let me just rename it to Spike. Spike. I'm gonna rename this to geometry. I don't know if I spelled it wrong, but whatever. So geometry, and now I'm gonna code in the spike now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to events when flag clicked, because when we click the flag, that's the when the main thing starts. Only if you have the when flag clicked button. And so we go to sensing and we go to touching. We take the touching code out, and then after we go to control again and we do if. We put it here. Then we do if. I'm gonna move it a bit here. Yeah, when flag clicked, if touching mouse. I'm gonna change the mouse pointer to geometry because we're coding. So when the spike touches the geometry, it's going to stop all. So the stop all is in control. So yeah, So stop all, and boom. Let's try. So first I'm gonna try just doing that. Okay, nice. Okay, now let it touch. Oh, I forgot one main thing. I guess why it wasn't working. Cause we forgot the forever block. Okay, anyways, let's start it now. Okay, good. Now let's touch it. Okay, nice. It stops. I mean, if you think I did press the stop button, let's do it again. So my mouse pointer's here. And now if I leave it, look, it stops. So we're good to go. And now we are adding a little score here, which we go to variables. I would do make a variable. I would do, what should the name is? Score. And this should be okay. New. And boom. We made a variable. Now we have to tell the variable when to make a score. We have to make it like every second you get a point. No, I think 0.5 seconds. So now I'm going to to think about it. So I have to think about it really. But anyways, so I'm gonna get this out obviously. Then I'm gonna go to events. Then I'm gonna take this block out. Then I'm gonna go to control. I'm gonna take forever out. And I'm gonna do that. Change my variable. Okay, that's just gonna blow up the score. Watch this. What? Nothing happened surprisingly. Oh, because I selected my variable. Now watch this. Can you see that? How's the scores going? Can you see that, bro? That is, I can't let that happen. That's too fast, bro. So I'm gonna go to control and never put this wait whatever seconds block into forever, because it's forever gonna wait for that second. So I'm gonna put it outside the block. Then I'm gonna put 0.5. Should work now. I need to set a special key. Okay. I'm going to move a bit here. move a bit here. I'm gonna select which key? I'm gonna select R. Where's R? I need R. Yeah, there's R. Cause it means reset. Like it means reset. Like stands for. So, anyways, then I'm gonna go to variables. I'm gonna set my variable to 0. I'm gonna select the score. Now I'm gonna press R and boom, it sets to 0. That's really good. And so now, like, can you see the geometry is like the square? The geometry is in the air. Now, if I start it, look, it's just gonna be in the air and it's gonna be easy. Now, if I touch it, like, that's just gonna be easy. So for that, we're gonna debug it. Wait, hold on a second. How's the score that much? I think we need to move it to. 1 second. And that's where I'm gonna reset the score. Anyways, so I'm gonna go to the geometry. Then first I'm gonna do event. Then when flag clicked, then I'm going to do. So I'm gonna set the could not save project. I do not care, but anyways, I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna keep it like right here, maybe. Yeah. Then after, so the spike's hidden behind. But anyways, then I'm gonna go to motion. Then I'm gonna go to this position. And now, no, oops, I put in the wrong place. And we put this right here. So, let me try again. Okay, let me just let the projects just save. Come on, say yes. Good boy. I'm just kidding. Okay, now if we press, for example, if my sprite's right here, now it should work. Yes, now it will. Did that even touch? Anyways, I'm gonna reset the score and play it again. What? Okay, that was this glitch. Okay, that genuinely touched. So I'm gonna reset the score again. Okay, nice. Now we've done quiet testing. Now we have to basically so you know how every time it touches, it basically needs to reset the score. So we have to go to the spike. So where it says, wait, where was the stop all thing? Just bear with me. Where is it gone? Oh yeah, it's right here. Then after, I'm gonna go to variables. I'm gonna set my variable to 0. Basically, set score to 0. Now, let's test it again. Now, okay. Now let it touch. Okay, there's one score. I mean, one doesn't really that much matter. But I definitely need to change the score. I think I'm going to completely change it to 5. Let's see if it works now. Okay, that was... let's try again. Okay, nice. Okay, now the score's not moving. Okay. Oh, I get the reason why. Oh, I get it. I think I need to remove the forever block, I'm pretty sure. Okay, we're gonna remove that. And now we have to set it to 0.5. And now hopefully it works. I'm gonna reset the score. And now it should hopefully work. Okay, and that was my trash pad. Okay. Okay, there's something problem in this. once I click this, after 0.5 seconds, it changes that, but that's it. It doesn't do anything. But if I add the forever block, I guess it'll be fine. Wait, where's the forever block then? I guess it'll be fine. Okay, that was just rapid. Now, that's it. Boom. Okay, nice. Okay, bruh. Oh my god. Okay, nice. The score is going a bit up. Okay, nice. And that was it for today's video. But, remember to subscribe. And this is only part 1. We're gonna finish the game off. Like, this is only 1 bit. There's like 5 more bits of this game. And, yes. Quite long. Yeah, we're done coding it. And this one is like my first like laptop video, and thanks to me. And I'll meet in the next video. Please subscribe to me, share this video, and bye.